my face. I'll show you my secret. Just like this, you need to scrub like this, scrub like that, like that, and then you need to be smiling face. That should be very beautiful.
Ang dumi naman ng CR mo.
Oh my golay. That's the way, Oh my dear. Oh, you're so very, You make a video, you and me. Me and you.
Alangan namang ikaw lang.
You and me.
Hindi naman po pwedeng ikaw lang, sister.
Hindi naman po pwede yun, sister. Dapat tayong magkapatid, tayo ay nag-e-ebegan.
Ebegan, beso-beso.
Beso-beso.
Ano ba?
Tus. Beso-beso. And then this is how to wash your tissue. And then you need to sing like this.
Okay. Can you please sing one song for me?
I'll sing for you.
Yeah. Any song.
I'll sing for you the song like this. Kahit pa magtatagal,
Okay, hindi.
ako'y maghihintay. Kahit ulitin pang muli ang panahon na nagdaan, di ako mapapagal, di malulumbay. Sintonado ka naman, sister.
Ako pa ngayon, sister.
Huwag ka naman magsentonado kapag nadadala.
Yung kahit na.
Sige na.
Sa gabi ay dalangin na.
And then naman ganyan ang pagpasok.
I forgot naman. Sige, you're the one who pasok-pasok that song.
Sa gabi ay dalangin na.
Xerox
Sa araw na may pangarap ka, ito ang damdamin ko. Mula nang lumisan ka, kahit malayo na. Hindi ko alam. Can you please stop
Sige,
singing?
kahit malayo na. Sige na.
Can I wash my face first?
Later na.
Oh,
Sige na.
I can't. So
You can't sing.
Yeah.
Okay, sige.
I'm not comfortable.
Later lang.
No, na lang. Lola.
Can we see how you wash your face?
Oh yeah, you can. Sure.
Hindi ko makuha yung una nun eh. Paano ba yun?
And then after that, I still have one more.
Can you please give me space?
Yeah, you can go out. And then give you space.
Sige na. Yung
Yeah.
kahit malayo na. Paano ba yun?
Kahit malayo.
Okay. Kahit man.
Kahit malayo man, laging hiling sa may kapal, damhin ang paglingap ko, hanggang pagbalik mahal. Kahit na ulitin pa man ang panahon na lalaan sa paghihintay, hindi mapapagal. Pati ng Diyos ang nalaman, sa pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo lamang, di mapagbabago, magpakailan pa man. Now I finished wash my face. Am I beautiful now?
Yes. You look,
Okay, bye-bye.
You look like a pig.
Hey, what's the matter with you?
Nothing
You know, sometimes
much.
I don't really understand you. Are you really my sister?
Nothing matter with me.
Oh, I have matter. Can you please stop it?
Can you give me space?
Oh yeah, you can go away.
Not yet. Not yet. Hi.
Am I there? Oh, is it finished already?
Not yet.
Oh,
Can you please sing one song for us?
Okay.
Ano ba?
Yung gusto ko yung bilangan natin ng mga
Akala ko mga big.
You're so... Don't speak bad words.
Okay. Bilangin natin mga
Mamaya na, okay. Just
change. Bye-bye.
Yeah,
Say bye-bye. Kiss my love.